So today I'm going to be walking us through how to create videos from slides. Now, this is one of the simplest, easiest way to do this. Gemini is already set up. I have created my slides. If you don't know how to create slides using Gemini, I made a video about it. Please go and watch the video and then come back to this. So you can now decide to export your slides or download it. I'm not downloading my slides, so or you can also share it, but I'm not downloading or doing all of those. I am going to export my slides. This is very important if you want to create your videos. Now, remember that this all these features, you're getting all these features from the free. These are all these features are actually free. So this is taking a while. This is taking a minute to export. So it's going to take a couple of minutes to export. Now it has showed you open slides. So I'm going to go ahead and click on open slides. And this is the slide. These are the slides, right? So I've created, these are the slides. And now when you check on this side, on the right side of your slides of your Google Slides dashboard. I think it's called a dashboard. You're going to see where you have convert to video. I'm trying to increase the screen so I get it. You're going to see where you have convert to video here, right? So convert to video, and once you click on convert to video, it takes you to it brings up this. So convert, click on convert, and it takes you to Vids. I don't know if you know of this new Google tool, Vids. It's a video editing option or platform. So now we've opened up the slides. They say include voiceover scripts, and this is just all an introduction of how this video platform works. So I'm going to click on select all because I want all the slides, and I'm going to click on import. So now it's importing the slides, the Google Slides, into a totally different program, which is called Vids. Google, it's a Google video platform. Now, when you get here, you can do anything you want here. You can decide that it can even generate voiceovers for you from your slides, or you can decide to include your own scripts to generate voiceovers. So you can also decide to edit your slides anyhow you want it, change the text color. Maybe you don't want this text color, you want to change another text color. You can change it here. You can do basically anything you want here, but don't do too much so you don't scatter it, because once you start scattering it, it's difficult to figure out. So you can decide to add new scenes, rearrange your scenes, drag and drop. It literally uses a drag and drop feature. And as you can see right here, it has already gone ahead to create narration for me automatically. But if you want to change this, you can go and you can include, you can change it from here, right? You can create your own script, your voiceovers, generate a voiceover, you add your own script and change whatever you want the video to say. You can also generate new ideas, new scenes, right? You can also generate new images. You can add captions. This is what I really love about this. Generating captions. It automatically generates captions when when you upload or include your own voice recording. Now, how do you include your own voice recording? You could record directly, or you could upload. Now, upload, you can't just upload directly as you can upload on Canva. What you can do is upload from your Google Drive. So from your Google Drive, you upload your audio or recorded audio on your Google Drive, and then from your Google Drive, you can import it down here. So, like I said, one of the features I love the most is the captions. The captions is automatic, it generates captions immediately. Like if you click on you want captions, it already has its own style. So if you click on you want captions, it generates perfect captions. You hear it's exact, it's so exact, it's so precise. I love this tool. I don't know, I think it's taking over a lot of my video editings, although it still glitches sometimes, but it's great. It's a very beautiful tool. You also have stock videos. So if you want to play around with stock videos, you have that option. So this is all. When you're done editing your videos, changing your scenes, doing every other thing, you can decide to download convert slides. You already have it here too, but that would be, I'll take this in a totally new video. Now this is how to convert your slides to videos. Once you're done editing and moving things around the way you want, you can come down here and download your videos as an mp4 video or gif video. So you can also share it, you can move it around, you can basically do anything you want with it. So we're going to talk about this particular tool in details in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.